All right, we're moving down to the JE Pistons Drag Radial, part of the Chevrolet And he is Lombard, Illinois. He drives the Trans Am. On the National Dragster side, that's the left side of the track. Looking to the north. Alongside is Chuck Buckard. Peter, Illinois, the champ who's doing the business. He too. Not two, I should say. Drives a GF car. This would be the 2000 Chevrolet Camaro now. Number 4 and 7 in the left lane to the right in qualifying. Chuck has only made one run down the racetrack. This car is better